Hi, my name is Linda McGuire. I'm at the Gilbert, Arizona campus. This is for Project Management 690, Unit 1. We're going to talk about strategic planning and strategic management. The first question asks us to recognize the difference between strategic planning and strategic management. Strategic planning will guide the organization as it works to fulfill its mission. The strategic plan will provide direction on where the company is headed, and it may even outline some goals as well as describe what success looks like. Regina Bailey has an article entitled Effective Strategic Planning for Your Organization. She kind of covers both of these topics. She goes on to say that strategic management are the steps or the tools that will be used to achieve or implement the strategic plan. Some of those tools might be a SWOT analysis, resource allocation, short and long-term goals, that kind of thing. The next question is explain the top reasons strategic plans fail to be operational. Richard Randall has an article entitled A Recipe for Effective Strategic Planning. In there he describes that or cites that one of the top reasons that they fail to be operational is that organizations will take time, money, and effort to create a strategic plan, but then they kind of shelf it and don't pull it back out periodically to review it and to compare performance against it. It's something that has to be done on an ongoing basis. The next question asks us to describe and assess the primary component of strategic management process. What I found was there are a lot of strategic management process models out there. Many of them are very, very similar with only small variations in terminology. The model that I'm going to reference is from F.R. David in an article entitled Strategic Management, Concepts and Cases. He identifies the four process stages as environmental assessment, strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and strategy evaluation. A little simpler terms would be basically, where are we, where are we going, how are we going to get there, and how are we doing? The second part of that question is also to describe the responsibilities of a strategic manager. Some of those responsibilities would be to develop vision and mission, perform an evaluation, external and internal environmental analysis, establish long-term objectives, generate, evaluate, and choose strategies, implement those strategies, and lastly, measure and evaluate performance. The final question is to explain why companies need strategic planning. The need for strategic planning is significant because it provides the organization with direction and goals. I kind of think about it like having an atlas without a destination. If you have a company and no true goal or destination mapped, there are lots and lots of roads and routes to go. Lots of different directions, but if you don't have a destination, then you'll never know, one, if you've ever arrived, and certainly not in the most efficient manner. So that's all I have for you today, and I look forward to seeing everyone else's videos, and thank you for your patience.